Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we're all going to learn about the group that is known as Get External Data. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, let me make you understand about Get External Data group. There is the first option which is known as Get Data from Access. Get data from Microsoft Access. Let me make you understand. Well, if you have any sort of data that is Microsoft Access file, so you can click on that and you can be opening that somewhere in Microsoft Excel. So let's try to use from text option. Let's try to go to desktop, and over there click of the mouse and go for new, and over there you must have text document. Make sure to enter that and open that, and over there type anything you want. For example, I am going to teach today in class. Make sure to close that, save that, and go back for Microsoft Excel. Go for from text and go to desktop, and over there you will have a new text document. Double click on that, go for next, and finish. Hit OK. Now you must see or observe, I am going to teach today in class. So whatever I typed there in new text document has been brought there in Microsoft Excel, and that has been divided into different sort of cells. Let me make you understand all about the option that is known as refresh all. Refresh all means that whatever you have opened, that should be updated and that should be edited. For example, the same file which I have typed something in that, I am going to teach today in class, and that will be interesting. Make sure to close that and save that. Go back for Microsoft Excel file, and over there let me make you understand firstly about connections. Connection is something that can direct you that you are opening this file which is known as new text document, and go for refresh all, go for desktop and click on this, import that. Now you can see that whatever I edited over there has been brought there. So that is what is all related to get external data and connections. And there is another option known as sort and filter. This is something which I have taught you in previous tutorial. However, I'm going to repeat that for you or revise that for you. Like for example, there are maybe some of the animals names, like maybe things name or maybe animals name. Let me type some of the names, whether that are animal names or things name, like well, I may have typed maybe 10 of the names. Make sure to select these and go for A to Z. Try to sort that out. If you click on A to Z, that will be starting from A to Z. If you go for Z to A, that will be starting from Z to A. And there is another option, sort, which is the same thing. You can go and use this option by sorting your data. And there is another option, filter. Let me make another sheet over there and type small sort of table. I have made small sort of table, so make sure to select that and go for filter. Now I have applied filter over there. Well, filter can work me finding the data or sorting the data. For example, if I click there and uncheck on all of these names and now check on the name I want or on the name I need. For example, I want Ali name. Go and check out Ali, hit OK. Now you can see that marks that are related to Ali are coming out and sorting for me or filtering for me. If you want to remove this, you have to be going for home, select and find, sort and filter, and click on this. See, that works. Well, there is another option inside data, advanced filter. That is the same thing that can work similarly, which I have just taught you like filter. There is a small difference between these two options. So make sure to type the name. So what name you want to find? For example, if you want to find John, try to type name and John. Now what you have to do, make sure to select and now click there and also click there, hit OK. Now you can see that Mohsin that marks that are related to Mohsin are filtered. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.